Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. What is going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Thank you for joining me today. So I know that you're probably thinking, what are you doing? I had asked you guys on Instagram and told you that I had writer's block or makeup artist block. I don't know. But I couldn't think of any makeup tutorial that I wanted to do for Makeup Monday, and I asked you guys if you wanted to see me try new makeup, and then I came across this super cute headbands when I was at Walmart, and I was like, you know what? I want to do like a really pretty minty shade. It just reminds me of being like by the fire roasting marshmallows. I don't know why I think of that when I thought of this entire look. So that's really what inspired this thing going on. I don't want to talk too much, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to learn how to recreate this minty chocolate chip makeup look, then just keep on watching. The lids have been primed already. You guys know that I used my concealer. For the first time in a long time, I actually set my base. Today, we are taking it back, kicking it back old school, and I decided to use the good old Morphe 35O palette. I feel like this palette was the palette that just kind of set Morphe apart from so many brands. I personally really love their products, but anyway, today we are going into this palette because we are using a few shades. We're going to start with this one right here, which is the perfect transitional shade. If you guys have slightly hooded eyes like I do, you do want to apply your first crease shade right up here. That way you can still see it once you apply all your other colors. We are going to pick up a second shade. I kind of want something that's going to complement both the mint color on the lid and the transitional shade. So I'm gonna dig into this shade right here, which is a bright orange. Is a lot more vibrant than this one, if you guys noticed that. Now that I have that shade, I am again applying that onto the crease, and I'm kind of going for a winged out shape. It really depends on like your eye shape, what complements your eye shape, or what you prefer. I like to do either a rounded look or a wing look, but I usually like the wings look because it elongates my eyes and it makes them look a little bit more like almond shape. I'm gonna pick up this shade because I really want to stick with the whole like red brown undertones, and all the other reds are too red for what I am looking for. So we're going in with that shade, and this is going to go on the lower part of the crease because this is going to build depth and it's going to give a little bit of a smokiness to it. Not too much because it's not such a deep color. But I'm going to go in with a dark brown in next. So this is going to be like a nice way of building up that dark color. So guys, I have some exciting stuff coming up. I can't really speak about it because it's actually like a surprise for somebody else, and I don't know if that one person watches my video, so I don't want to give too much away, but it is such an amazing surprise that we've been working on, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. It's going to be amazing, something totally different. This will give you an insight to me as a person, as an individual, besides an influencer. So yeah, I'm really excited to share that with you guys. Hopefully that will happen within the next couple of weeks. So there we have that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig into the deepest color on this palette. Let me see which one I want to go in with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this shade because this one has more cool undertones and this one is more of a true chocolate chip brown. So we're going to take that on a smaller brush and apply it onto the crease as well. And again, this color, we are keeping it lower down here because that's where we want most of the darkness to be. We don't want to bring it too high up. We still want these colors to peek through. Once I have the color nice and packed on, I'm going to move on to my concealer, taking this ColourPop No Filter in the shade Medium 26. And I'm also going to take this Dalium's Tool Bold Concealer Brush. I love this because it is so flat that it literally gets right into my crease and it creates the perfect cut crease for me. Now that we have our crease nice and clean, we're going to move on to the lid shade. I'm taking this Carity palette and we are going in with Fein. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is exactly the kind of minty green that I was looking for. It looks a lot more turquoise on camera, but it's a lot lighter in person. Now for my eyeliner, I am taking this one by NYX. It is the matte liquid liner. I've been using this for a few weeks now and I really, really like it. I'm just going to do my regular wing and then we can pop on some lashes. I'm moving away from the eyes because my eyeliner is not coming out how I wanted it to. It's crooked and I am getting a little bit mad. So we're just going to leave that alone. I'm taking my favorite primer by ColourFX, the Pore Blurring Primer. I love, love this stuff so much to fill in my pores. For my foundation, I'm taking this Hourglass Veil Foundation in the shade Honey. This one is a tad bit darker than me, but that's okay. We can still make it work. Bring it down to the neck because it actually matches my body really good, and that's what I am wanting to do, is match my body. And I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush. This is the foundation blurring brush. And we're just going to buff that in. I really like to use foundations that are a thicker formula with a brush because I feel like they work the best. For my concealer, I'm going back in with my ColourPop No Filter. Are you guys ready for Christmas? I know that a ton of people start doing like their Christmas shopping now, and I am that person. There's two types of people in this world, okay? People that don't procrastinate, get shit done when it's supposed to. And then there's people like me, procrastinate to the last minute. I go Christmas shopping to the last minute. And I always do that. And I always tell myself, okay, this year I'm going to go Christmas shopping early. Yeah, I never do. I don't know what's wrong with me. Now our skin is nice and mattified. I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I haven't used this in such a long time. I remember when I first bought it, oh my god, I thought I was like the coolest person ever because this was one of like my first high-end bronzers, and then now I don't even use it. That just goes to show you that sometimes we make unnecessary purchases just for the heck of it. I'm also going to take a little bit of this Desert Rose blush by the brand Note. You guys know this has been like my favorite ever since we got it in our BoxyCharm. I can't. Ooh. Okay, that was way too much. No. Okay, we can blend this out. We can blend this out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. It's okay. See, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I popped on these lashes out by Bold Face Cosmetics. I'm going back onto the lower lash line and pretty much just doing the same thing that I did on the crease. I'm doing it on the lower lash line. You do want to keep that dark brown closest to the waterline so it looks nice and like smoked out. Sometimes I hate not doing, I love doing voiceovers because they're a lot faster to edit and a lot easier to do, but I know that you guys like these kinds of videos. But I am so boring and the least entertaining person probably on YouTube. I don't ever know what to talk about. Like, I don't have any tea to spill. I don't have anything crazy going on, at least that I can talk about, you know? So it's like, what do I tell you guys? Like, what do I talk about? Now for my highlight, I am taking this super awesome palette. I recently got it in PR from Ofra. It is the Glow Up palette, and when you open it, it is amazing. It has a whole bunch of their highlighters. This one is, I believe this one is Rodeo Drive. So here we have the Beverly Hills highlights. We have Rodeo Drive, Blissful, and then I think Star Island. I'm gonna take a mix of this one and this one because this one alone is too light for my skin, but mixed with the other one, it is so gorgeous, and these are so intense. A little goes such a long way. I put too much. For my lips, I'm gonna first take this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is Limitless Brown. And then I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Matte Nude Lipstick in the shade Inclination. You guys know that's like one of my all-time favorites. And then to top everything off, I'm taking Honey I'm Home lip gloss from Dose of Colors. I went ahead and put on my little headband as well as my jacket because it's actually cold and I'm about to go to In-N-Out. Let's set and forget. I don't know what the hell that was. I swear I am such a weird person. There's times where I have to do so much editing. So if you guys always see so much like skippage on my videos, is because I have to edit so many things out because I do the weirdest faces, or I'm weird. So it's embarrassing. So I edited it out. Edit it out. Are we totally loving the way this look turned out? I feel like it's still very fall appropriate because it's like a soft pastel blue or baby blue or mint color or whatever it is you want to call it, and I'm living for it. I hope you guys recreate this look, and if you guys are interested in knowing where I got my headbands, no lie, I picked it up at Walmart. I'm telling you guys, Walmart has been popping lately. They have so much good stuff. I'm thinking of doing like a come shopping with me video and just pick out some cute stuff from Walmart. Anyways, if you guys want to see that, let me know. But thank you so much for joining me today. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.